everyone, and welcome to my video, my channel. My name's Noah if you're new here, and thank you for clicking on this channel. If you can tell by the title, this is my second Glossier unboxing. It feels like I did the other one very recently, but that was over in the summer and I needed to restock and also try out some new products. So I actually got this package last week, but the doorbell wasn't working, so it got delivered to the post office and I didn't have time to pick it up until the next Thursday. So it's been well over a week of not opening this package just because it wasn't in my possession, but I couldn't wait any longer because I needed to find a good time to film. So I did open up the box a little. I just unsealed it and I peeked into the inside, but otherwise didn't look at anything, open the classic Glossier pink package. But here we go. So we're gonna open it up. Woo! And of course Glossier with that millennial pink. It's just an explosion of pink and it looks beautiful. So obviously their little motto, "You look good." And we go into the very top. We have holiday sticker set, so you can use it for your presents or your cards. That's really cute and that would be really helpful. And another new sticker is this Glossier, it's like shiny sticker. Maybe I could stick that onto my new bullet journal for next year. And then here we come to the classic little pack, and we're gonna open her up. I think I only got 3 new things, so here we go. In the back, there's another little post. Oh, it's a sample. Excuse me. I think I got the perfume, so we'll give that a little whiff later because it's just a sample. I did get a restock of the Milky Jelly Cleanser. I was running out, or I've run out. So basically what is left right now, the bottle's flipped upside down, and I unscrew the thing and just take what's left on the pump. So that's what I've been using in the morning, so I definitely needed a new one, and I really enjoy using this. It feels really good on my skin, so of course I needed to restock. I didn't get the moisturizer, the primer, because it's not run out as much as the cleanser has, and also it's the winter, so I've been using a different moisturizer. Next up I got the Super Bounce serum. I know there's 3 of the serums, but I originally only wanted to get this one just because in the winter, again, my skin gets insanely dry and it's not, and I have to put on multiple layers of moisturizer just to get it down. I walk up to school with fucking dry patches on my face and nobody wants that. So after my sister, she got the 3 of them, I didn't think it would make sense for me to get 3. My blemishes, yes, this one's there, but for the most part I have been dealing with that and it's not as terrible. So I really just wanted to focus on moisturizing my skin. It says it helps to ease and soften tight, rough skin, apply over clean face, and follow with moisturizer. So maybe I'll do a review and to see how this works out as well. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and dainty and simple, classic Glossier. And I love this little pump, it's so cute. And lastly, I decided to get the Glossier Cloud Paint. This is so cute. I didn't think that the packaging would come like this. This is really cute. I love this, on display. I had never thought about getting the cloud paint because I'm not a huge makeup person. I usually just fill in my brows. I haven't today, so sometimes I throw on some mascara, and if I have mascara on, I'll probably be putting on some lipstick too, the occasional highlighter, but nothing else. But if you couldn't tell, my skin is very pale. Even in the summer, I do get tan, but my tan, if I stay inside for a couple days without leaving the house long enough to tan, my tan will go away. So unlike my mom, she's on the darker side, she's more olive tone to begin with, and my sister, she's just always tan because she's always, I don't know, she just likes to tan. Probably not the best sunscreen is your friend. But my skin gets very pale, so I thought it would be best to have some cute little, simple, easy to use blush to put some color on my face. And also because one of my classmates, she told me, we were like all laughing before class started, and she was like, oh my gosh, Noah, what blush do you use? I love the color. And I was like, oh my god, that's just my blood, like my face is just flushed. So that made me think about that. So I watched Rachel Park's video and watched her review on all of the Cloud Paint colors and decided on Haze. I know it looks like a dark color, but a little bit does go a long way, I feel like, as with anything that Glossier makes. So I'm very excited to use these. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this packaging. I actually have paints, or had, I'm not sure if we still have them, but that looked just like this. This is so cute. You can't have a name Cloud Paint and not have it in packaging that looks like this. This is so cute. It's a very berry color and it's very cute. I mean, for the first one, I thought about getting a much lighter color so that it was easier for me to be able to build it up and use something much lighter. But honestly, on Rachel's skin, this, I loved how it looked, so I ended up getting this. So after I get ready, I have already washed my face since I do still have some of the Milky Jelly cleanser left, so I have used that. And I've already put on the moisturizer, so I can't use the serum. But I think after I get ready, I'll show you guys how I used Haze on my face. And then I'm not sure how I want to I'm not sure if I want to put it together or not, but I do want to do a review of how the serum does work out for my skin. Okay, so I went to put in my contacts because my glasses were just in the way for my cheeks to test out the Cloud Paint. And then I also needed to just put on some more moisturizer. Lately, my skin has been doing better, but hopefully with the serum, it'll be no problem at all. So here we go. I'm a little scared, but here we go. I showed you the packaging. Oh man, this is so pretty. Why am I sniffing it? Like it's something I'm gonna eat. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my finger. Oops, the color is very true to the color on the packaging. I'm not really sure how to do this. One time I put on blush was like for a dance competition and one for a recital. And then I just like dabbed it on myself too much because I wanted more, and I secretly went into the bathroom to do more. And then it just was too much and I gave myself an allergic reaction. Am I doing this right? I need a mirror. And I didn't even put everything that came out on my finger on my cheek, but already I am seeing the difference between this side of my face and this side. Is it even picking up on camera? I don't even know. So I'm just gonna dab the rest because it doesn't look like a lot and I don't want it to be like a lot either. Am I doing this right? Like, is that the right position? Can you see it? And this just popped up, I think, what the heck, post-period? Like, girl, come on, my chin pimples from before my period were like just getting better too, because I get pimples before my period. Like, why does it do that? So I'm gonna do the other side too, just a little bit. Oh my god. Who knows how long it's gonna take me to get through this one thing, because I'm just using like the tiniest bit and this is already more than my right cheek. Holy crap. Okay, so I guess this is how it looks if you put on an intense amount. Clearly, I'll have to fix that. And then this is light. Oh my gosh. This is cute. I look flushed. Clearly, I need to figure out how to work this. But if you wanted a look of how it looks if it's a little and then a lot, there you have it. I think I'm gonna make my review of how the serum is working out in a different video. So this is just like a first impressions for especially the Cloud Paint and a little unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you enjoyed, please. and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Only yesterday you were beside